Hey guys, Steve here. Let's imagine for a second that there was a way that you could boost your sales, increase your signups, and dramatically increase your conversions and upgrades in any of your business opportunities. Just imagine for a minute, right? Would you be interested in knowing how to do that, right? I know I would. But what if there was also a way that you could get over 1,400 untapped traffic resources that most people overlook, right? That would give you an edge in any opportunity. It'll give you a whole untapped platform that you could promote your opportunity on, right? Get more eyeballs, more visibility. I mean, over 1,400 traffic sources. That's a lot. That's like game-changing traffic, right? And these are, like I said, let's face it, most people, promote their opportunities with, right? Facebook, right? YouTube, where they make videos and they run traffic. But what if there were 1,400 other places that you can use to promote your business? In regards to, let's say, boosting your sales and traffic, let's think about this example right here before I show you, right? Have you ever went to a car dealership and they said, hey, if you buy this car, if you get approved for this car right now, we'll give you a vacation to the Bahamas, right? You're like, man, okay, well, let me go ahead and get this car so I can get this vacation too. Or have you ever been in a store where they said, hey, put your name right here on this card and put it in that box over there for our raffle, right? And they're raffling off a tablet or a smartwatch or something, right? And you're like, yeah, do it. You know what they just did? In the first scenario, they just enticed you to make a major purchase, right, on a car because of a vacation that they're giving you for free, right, for your upgrade, for your purchase of a car. And in the second scenario, what are they doing? They're giving you a chance to win a tablet that they're going to give you for free. Because why? Because you put your name on a card with an email address and your address. So you gave them their information in exchange for the possibility of winning something for free, right? A tablet, electronics, a smartwatch, or whatever. Now, what if you could apply that same tactic to your business, to your online business, or to your offline business? Because it can work offline too, right? Actually, you can boost your postcard business too. You just get flyers made and have the incentive on the flyer saying if you upgrade with us, you get XYZ. You can get a XYZ. I mean, you can do that. So that's what I'm here. I want to show you how to do that. So in this video, I'm going to show you a platform that has all of those things where you can give away free things, where you can entice or ethically bribe people to join your opportunity, right? To increase the conversions, to increase the signups. What? Right? Increase the signups, right? Give you something to give to them so they can give you their email address and whatnot, right? So this platform is called the Daily Takeover. Now, I've been using this for years, and if I didn't say it, the Daily Takeover also has those over 1,400 untapped traffic resources as well, right? So you're getting all of that, plus training, plus the ability to give away those enticing vacations, electronics, discounts, and whatnot. So let's just take a look at the affiliate page. This is the page that you'll get when you become a member of this platform. And if I didn't say it, there's no monthly fee. It's a one-time payment, which if you are a reseller of this or an affiliate of this, you can make 100% commissions, right? So anyway, how do you dramatically boost your website traffic, right? How do you do that like the dealership? How do you increase the sales for any business? How do you do that, right? Well, you give away incentives. And that's what this platform does. And it says 3 powerful ways you can help get massive results. 1, traffic sources, right? You always need traffic. Every business needs traffic. 2, give away physical items to dramatically boost your sales. You got electronics. You got over 60,000 vacation getaways flight discounts, movie tickets, concert tickets, cruises, grocery savings, dining cards. I see a lot of people giving away dining cards as bonus. And where do they get that from, right? You can gain access to unlimited business leads for life, right? And all of that is, and I'll show you all of that in a minute. And it's easy, right? And there's also answers to the common questions. I'll save that for a different video. But these are just some images of the things that you can give away and use for yourself with this platform. This platform is, you just give away physical items to dramatically boost sales in your business. You know, I just said that, but here's a snapshot of some of the items again. And yes, there is an affiliate program. Like I said, you can earn 100% commissions. There's no monthly fee. All you do is pay for the platform, which is a flat $100, and you can get $100 for every person you refer. And then the person you would just pay a admin fee in order to get this affiliate website here. If you didn't notice down here, there's a live support. You see that mug right there is me, right? And it makes this page mine. It makes this page personal, right? It has contact information, my email address, my Facebook, so you can directly connect to me if you have any questions on my affiliate website, right? This is totally branded so that it's my page, right? They contact me. I handle the questions, right? Which is awesome. Again, you can access to our affiliate program that pays you $100 commission for every person that you refer to our program. It pays daily by PayPal, Stripe, Cash App, and much more, depending on what way you want to get paid. So that's how easy it is. Also, you gain access to the over 1,400 traffic sources. As you know, no traffic equals no sales in your business, and we all want that, right? So there's also a training platform with over 32 videos that details and outlines how to properly promote this opportunity, and also how to promote anything online. I mean, in the whole affiliate marketing space, right? Anything online. Also, there's some other things that I'll show you here in a minute. If you wanted to set up your account today and join, you would just click this button. And I want to show you something real quick. I want to show you, let's go back up to, where does it say that? Let's go here. I want to see the quick questions real quick. Get instant answers about DTO. Right here, digital billboards. They also offer a way that you could advertise your business on digital billboards across the country. And if you look down here, you see how the chat bot on my page, right? It changed to an image of me, and you can directly communicate with me, as you can see. You just can chat with me, right? That's sweet, right? Your own affiliate page, right? Here's some questions down here. What is Daily Takeover? You can click here. How do I advertise my business on digital billboards? Which is awesome. I click the link below and find out. Are there any monthly fees? I'll just click down here because I want to tell you, no, there are no monthly fees. It is a $100 one-time payment for the affiliate, and there is a one-time $80 fee for the website, right? Which is awesome because this is the affiliate site. You get the chat bot, and this site is always being tweaked and updated. Also, if I didn't tell you this, I want to go back to it. Let me show you. This video is personally branded and says your name and has your image on this video. So this is personally branding you, right? So if you wanted to join, you would just click here, and I want to show you how easy it is. You would click here, and it would take you to a page. Now this page is directly connected to me because the payments come directly to me, right? And I want to show you my payment page. So I would click here, and this is my payment page, right? And you're paying to me, straight to me. I have set up my either Stripe, I have PayPal set up, I have Venmo, I have Cash App, I even have Zelle here, and you can also contact me direct on Messenger. But this is my payment page, so I give people the option to pay me by any of these different methods, which is awesome, right? So this is a direct pay platform that when you become an affiliate of this platform, you set up your own payment. So if you want to get paid by Cash App, you can just only provide the Cash App link if you wanted to. But I provided a page in order to have direct control over my payments. For instance, if something ever happened to PayPal, I still have other options. I don't have to contact the admin of the page and have them change my links and do all of this. So I like setting up a page that I'm directly in control of. That's just something that I do. Of course, you don't have to do that. You can put your PayPal link, provide that to them. They can set that up. But anyway, what I want to do now is I want to give you a quick peek on the inside of what goes down in the DTO. All right, so let's jump over here. This is the DTO training website. This is Stephen Thomas, and he has a little video for announcements. I just want to take and give you a quick peek on the inside. Here's a notification, right? Instant emails. They just had an upgrade to the affiliate pages that allows you to have a what do they call it? A web form, so you can collect email and names and stuff and follow up, right? Which is sweet, a sweet deal. These are just some announcements, right? That it says watch these videos and pay attention. This is actually our training platform that you will get access to once you become a paying member and an affiliate, that trains you how to promote the system, but also teaches you a lot of fundamentals of how to market online, and gives you a 10K blueprint of how you can successfully earn $10,000 a month, right? 10K blueprint. So it has a getting started video. You can join our private Telegram group. Here are your over 1,400 traffic sources and tools. You click here for the training index and we'll do a quick rundown of that. These videos, your getting started video, your how to get your affiliate website video, how to get your vacation getaway and incentives. Videos 1 through 7 establish the foundation of traffic sources and tools. Video 8, creating clickable Facebook banners. 9, free ad forum and click and free global classifieds. How to block countries for your CPA offers. It also teaches you how to do CPA, right? CPA marketing. Giveaway vacation and incentives for your business. How to build websites and how to get hundreds of people to promote your business. How to select the right traffic sources and how to launch Facebook ads. How I create commercials for all my businesses. How to overcome the Facebook algorithm. Giving away unlimited leads for life. Get unlimited Craigslist leads without posting ads. 3 free ways to increase sales on your website. Create viral Facebook posts. Why people are not signing up for your business. Video 21, 3 to 5 leads calling you every day about your business. How to text blast your free unlimited leads to save time. Secret social media platforms. Using surveys to attract leads for any business. Video number 25, 1,300 plus traffic sources. How to build websites, Facebook, YouTube, ad compliant. How to create banner videos. High ticket and residual income programs. Video 29, get massive traffic with safe lists. Send your business website to over 1 million plus people. 30, get autopilot leads in real time. 31, using heat maps to boost your sales on how to install heat maps and use Vidalytics. I can't even say that. Videos instead of YouTube to boost your sales. And video 32, over 1,300 plus highly targeted traffic sources that work for any business. As you can see, there's more than 1,300 traffic sources in this back office here. Now, I'll just give you a quick rundown. You got videos, you have everything that we just said, how to advertise your daily takeover business. It gives you ad script, frequently asked questions, more videos. Here's that 10K blueprint that I just talked about. And these are those videos 1 through 32 of what I just talked about. Also, there's more valuable resources down here. If you want DTO done for you advertising, this is the billboard advertising, right? Which click the link and check out, right? This will tell you how to do that. This is if you need financing for any kind of your businesses. It has there. Here's the advertising on digital billboards. And it also offers private one-on-one coaching. So this platform has everything. It's packed with value. It has your resources. It has your traffic resources. It has your bonuses to give away. It has all kinds of incentives. It has everything you need. And it can be your business too. So you can use it for your business to entice people to come in, but also it is a business in itself, right? So that's all I just wanted to show you. I want to show you payment proof real quick. So let me jump over to my Facebook page, because that's where I put all my Facebook. That's where I put my, I use my Facebook profile as like a main capture page to entice people to come in and click on my links, right? You know, I post things. I mean, if people don't like it, they just delete me. that's how I feel. I don't care. But here's what I got today. 5 hours ago, I made $100 from this program, right? Who else wants to earn $100 a day giving away stuff for free? You can boost sales and signups, includes much desired traffic resources. Really a complete no-brainer. Comment below, right? So basically, here's my $100 I got today. I got it at about 236. So you can also earn unlimited $100 commissions just by promoting this as an affiliate. So anyway, that's all that I got here. Like I said, this opportunity is called Daily Takeover, DTO for short, and it is a platform that you can use to get incentives, to give away, to boost your sales, to increase your signups, to potentially increase your number of conversions and upgrades in any platform, and also plug you into over 1,400 traffic resources. But anyway, and make $100 over and over again. But anyway, that's all that I got. I'll leave the links in the description box below. If you enjoyed this content, like, share, subscribe. Anyway, thanks for hanging out. I'm out.